Hey everyone, switching from a physical SIM card to an eSIM on Mint Mobile, this quick guide will walk you through the steps to make the transition smooth and effortlessly. To convert your physical SIM to an eSIM on Mint Mobile, open the Mint Mobile app, go to Account and select Order Replacement SIM. Choose Get an eSIM, confirm the device for installation and complete the checkout process, no charges. Follow the prompts to install the eSIM and you will receive a confirmation email once it's activated. Step 1. Check eSIM compatibility. Not all phones are eSIM compatible. Ensure your phone support eSIM by checking on Mint Mobile's website or app. If it is not compatible, you will need to stick with a physical SIM card. Go to Mint Mobile Compatibility, select your mobile brand and mobile from drop-down box, click Check Phone button. Step 2. Update your device. Ensure your device is updated to the latest software version before installing an eSIM to prevent potential technical issues. For iOS, go to Settings, then General, then go to Software Update, tap Download and install if an update. Example, iOS 18 is available. Follow on-screen instructions. If storage is low, delete apps temporarily or enable automatic app restoration post-update. Step 3. Update Mint Mobile app. You should update the Mint Mobile app to ensure compatibility and access the latest feature required for converting your physical SIM to an eSIM seamlessly. Open the App Store in iPhone or Google Play Store on Android, search for Mint Mobile and click on Update button to upgrade the app. Wait for the process to complete, log into your account once updated. If you cannot see the update button, your app is already up to date. Step 4. Open Mint Mobile app. Open Mint Mobile app, log in using username and password. Step 5. Order replacement SIM. Tap an account on the bottom right of the screen, scroll down the SIM cards section and click Order replacement SIM. Step 6. Select your device on the SIM delivery screen. Select Get an eSIM. Confirm that the phone you are using is the one you want to install the eSIM on by selecting This is my new device. Tap Checkout to complete the order. You won't be charged. After completing the order, follow the prompts to install your eSIM directly through the app. Once installation is finished, you will receive an email confirmation that your eSIM has been successfully installed. Step 7. Install eSIM. Select Checkout and click I am connected to Wi-Fi to install free eSIM. Click Continue and you will get a verification code. Input the verification code and click Continue. Click Continue under Install eSIM. Select Install eSIM for iOS. Device settings page will open. Follow on-screen instructions to install the eSIM. For Android, you will be asked to select one of the options, scan QR code or enter address manually. On the next page, select Scan QR code. Phone settings page will open. Select SIM. Select plus sign to add new SIM. Select Setup an eSIM on the next page. Select Scan QR code. Scan the code which you received through the confirmation mail. The eSIM will be installed successfully. Once the installation is completed, toggle on Use this SIM option. Alternatively, you can also select Enter QR code manually option and enter the eSIM installation code to activate the eSIM. In the settings page, select Enter the code manually during adding the eSIM your device. Troubleshooting tips: if you cannot see the option and your mobile is eSIM compatible, you have to uninstall and install Mint Mobile app. To uninstall an eSIM, go to your phone settings. For iOS, navigate to Settings, then Cellular, then go to Mint Mobile line, remove cellular plan. For Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet. Then go to SIMs, Mint Mobile line, delete SIM profile. Confirm removal and restart your device if necessary. Go to App Store on iOS and Play Store on Android. Search for Mint Mobile app and click Get Install button to install the app. Repeat the process to transfer the eSIM. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.